Good morning, dear students. Students, today I am going to start new chapter fractions. But before I start the lesson, I would like to tell you a small story of a girl named Rinky. Rinky loves to eat pizza. So she ordered a pizza and she was very excited to have whole pizza. But suddenly her best friend Pinky came to her and she wants pizza too. So Rinky has decided to split the pizza into two equal parts. See student, this is one whole pizza and Rinky has decided to split the pizza into two equal parts. Student, this is one whole pizza and Rinky has split the pizza into two equal parts. So this part is half and this part is also half. So Rinky get one part and Pinky get one part, and this is 1 divided by 2 because this pizza is divided into two equal parts. So here this part is 1 divided by 2 and this part is also 1 divided by 2. So will you say have they got one pizza each? No, they haven't got one entire pizza. So what they have got? One part out of two equal parts. Now, how do you write this part mathematically? I cannot write it 1. It is wrong because it is not 1. It is less than 1. It is 1 divided into two equal parts. So, how do we write it mathematically? Well, we use fraction. So, let us see. This pizza is divided into two equal parts. So, each part is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So, first let us check whether they are equal parts or not. So, we overlap one part on the second part and we see they perfectly overlap or not. And here parts were equal and each of these parts can be written as 1 upon 2. So, student, here number above the line is called numerator and number below the line is called denominator. Students, denominator tell us total number of parts in a whole and numerator tell us how many parts were taken from the whole. Students, see here, this pizza is divided into two parts. तो क्या ये भी फ्रैक्शन है? No, because it is not equally divided into two parts. ये two parts में तो divided है पर इसके दोनों parts equal नहीं है. So we cannot consider it as a fraction. Fraction means equal sharing. So what is fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole and it is used to represent quantities less than 1. Now let us understand with the help of some images. Student, here circle is divided into 4 equal parts and colored part is 1 out of 4. So fraction is 1 upon 4. Student, यहाँ पे आपने shaded part का fraction लिखा है. Now let us write the fraction for unshaded part. Count how many parts are unshaded. So here 1, 2, 3. 3 parts है unshaded. तो 3 न्यूमरेटर हो गया और टोटल कितने पार्ट्स है सर्कल के? टोटल पार्ट्स आर 4. सो वी राइट 4 एज अ डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेकंड एग्जांपल. दिस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू इक्वल पार्ट्स एंड शेडेड पार्ट इज 1 आउट ऑफ 2. सो वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट इट 1 अपॉन 2. नाउ लेट अस टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस फिगर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 8 equal parts and the shaded parts are 4 out of 8 parts. So, we can write it as 4 upon 8. So, student, this is how we can represent the fractional parts. I hope your concept is clear. Now, it's practice time. So, pause your video and please solve it. So, student, we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.